Hi, I'm Chloe, an SEM multi-sports coach from Cardiff City Community Foundation and Cardiff City Women Under-19s assistant goalkeeper coach. And this is my guide dog, Emily.
Chloe, it's so lovely to finally meet you. It's so lovely to finally meet Emily as well. I was wondering if you could just start off when you were a little girl. Where did your love of football come from?
I just remember playing football when I was about 5 or 6 years old. Just played in a local team, Barry Bluebirds, but at that point I was like, I want to be a goalkeeper. Interesting choice, being visually impaired myself, so I was kind of like, what am I getting myself into? But yeah, really, I just loved playing in the park with my friends and just being part of a team. I was actually born with a visual impairment. Through consultants and everything like that, they were able to find out that I have bilateral optic nerve hypoplasia. So I've got no sight at all in my right eye and very limited sight in my left eye as well. On top of that, I've got macular degeneration, which we found out a couple of years ago is actually taking my sight. We don't know when that is going to happen, so I'm hoping it'll be very far into the future, but for right now it's quite stable. Sport's been that one constant that I've been able to forget everything that's happening. Yeah. I've been able to step on that football pitch and just forget everything for 90 minutes.
Tell me about Emily, because it was 2019, was it, when she came into your life?
Yeah, so I just started working for Cardiff City Community Foundation in the January, and Emily came charging through those doors. She came to my office, and actually this stadium was probably the very first place that I brought her, because I was like, you're going to be around here all the time, you need to get used to it. And
you need to get the kit.
She needs to get the kit, of course. I'm so thankful for her. I'm working full time. I'm coaching with Cardiff City as well. Like, what else could I ask for? Like, yeah. She's made all of that possible. So this is actually my first season with Cardiff City, so primarily with the under-19s as their goalkeeper coach, and work underneath Jamie and Ian then as well within the first team. It's been quite hard to kind of explain what I can see. So when the girls are on the pitch, and especially from my side of watching the goalkeepers, it's okay, we've got a grey kit on. That's really helpful when we're on green grass. If you then have green kit on a green grass, which we do have, it then becomes a lot harder. So I do rely on my other coaches then to be able to let me know, and especially the players as well, of just going, oh, what happened then? And they can tell me. Yeah. So then when it comes to half time or anything, I'm then able to give them that feedback then. I've been really lucky that the club and the Community Foundation have been fantastic in supporting me through the years, being able to help me develop as a coach and as a person as well. I wouldn't say that I'm a role model, but I think a lot of people do say that. So within my full-time role, I work with children in primary schools and specifically work with children with disabilities. It's just fantastic to be able to give children that opportunity to see somebody within the industry, and especially if they go, oh, I want to be like Chloe when I'm older. It's just a fantastic feeling that I've had an impact on that person's life.
Well, the club have decided to turn the floodlights for us now,
Very
Chloe. We were sat here in darkness, but it's all good. The future?
Yes.
What are the plans? What would you like to achieve?
Well, I'm hoping in the next 5 years, possibly 10, if my sight is going to allow me. My ambition is to get onto my UEFA A licence in goalkeeping.
Because you've done your B, haven't you?
I have done my B. From what we are aware of, I am the first person with a visual impairment in Wales to hold a UEFA goalkeeper's licence, specifically UEFA B. And secondly, I want to be able to set up the women's blind football team in Wales, so we can compete at the IBSA World Games, and the ambition is for LA 2028 Paralympics.
Yes.
So I'm hoping in the next 4-5 years that we can have a solid Welsh women's blind football team.
Well, Chloe, with everything you've achieved so far, I wouldn't put it past you to get all of those things ticked off the bucket list.
Yeah.
Well, Chloe, honestly, thank you so much for your time. It's been amazing meeting you. It's been amazing meeting Emily as well, and best of luck with everything.
Thank you very much. It's lovely to meet you.